Celebrity Insider.
Amid the nasty custody war between Hollywood's former favorite couple, could there be a different solution to their legal problem? One lawyer talked to HollywoodLife, sharing with the outlet if Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's 6 children can actually each choose the parent they want to live with. As fans may know, Angelina and Brad are set to be back in court on December 4, but previous insider reports have claimed that they'd rather reach an agreement by themselves, before the deadline. That being said, could the young ones end up being separated? California family law attorney David T. Pisra explains that certainly, that can happen. However, this kind of situation usually happens in the case of older children. Typically the courts want to keep all the kids together because they want to maintain the continuity of the relationships, but if there's huge age gaps as there are with Brad and Angelina's kids, that can be a factor. It is generally disfavored and courts try and keep the kids together, David went on to explain to the news outlet. But can the parents still fight to keep all 6 kids together? Absolutely, the parents can fight it, but the issue is that once the kids are 14, they have the right to be heard by courts. The court can hear them in many different ways, either by letter, by interview, or by a third party. It could also be in chambers with a court reporter. And it also depends on what the court wants to do, on their age and maturity. Pisra explained that Maddox is 17, and technically he is a minor. He is more than old enough and more than mature enough to clearly state his wishes and desires. Pax technically can at 14 years old, but judges typically are not going to allow it as they want to keep the young ones out of this as much as possible. But in the end, the kids still have a right to decide their own fate to an extent. According to the lawyer, a judge would also look at where the parents want the kids to live. If Brad wanted to stay in LA and Angelina wants to live in London, that would factor in the decision because a judge might want to let the children live in the same place that they were raised.